Grand awakening, Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I have some great services there. Book a massage. Check out the NFTs. Go ahead, check out the music, and go ahead and check out the ebooks. Great products are over there. Your word of the day is positive action. We need you not to just work in action. We don't need you just to make a action, a positive action. Lay one brick for your foundation today. If that one brick does not stick and it shakes the foundation, move on to the next step, the next brick. And maybe the brick that you're laying today may manifest and actually lay tomorrow, maybe next week. Do what you can today. Do not be frazzled or frustrated by any obstacles or bumps within the road. Do something every single day to add to the blessing that you're going to actually build. Don't get frustrated if it doesn't work today. Choose another thing to do to accomplish today. And the thing that didn't work today, it may work tomorrow or next week. I focus on the beauty in me and I find silence. I live and honor the present by doing what I can now. What I cannot change, I let go and entrust to God. You're in the right timing, right place, doing the right things. Continue to do it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.